Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Rosedale, New Jersey. So Angelo shipped us his Road Glide 3 from Connecticut. He's been a client for a couple of years now. He reached out to me when the bike was brand new. We planned on this build over a year ago. He finally had the time to ship it up to me, and we got it done. It's a 4-speaker setup, just fairings and lowers. It's featuring the new Dirty Bird 8-inch lower pods with the integrated tweeter pod and more airspace. These things sound phenomenal. So since it's only a 4-speaker setup, we concentrated on getting the most mid-bass possible while still being weatherproof, and this combination worked really, really well. The Dirty Bird lower pods with the Cicada Cmx carbon fibers and the R1 horn tweeters, and then in the fairing we did CH 6.5. We did a Sound Digital evox 2 1200.4 HCAM mini DSP. We flashed the radio. Sounds phenomenal. I'm totally impressed with the way this bike sounds. Sounds really good. Mid bass is really strong. The bike plays nice and loud. This is a really, really pretty bike. Kind of sucks because now I think I want one. I like the way he has this thing put together. And the last thing I need is another bike. Look what you did to me, Angelo. Your bike looks really good, sounds really good. Might have to cop one. But check out the build.
Kings on the block that hooked up. Shantae, T-Lo, game over, baby. Yeah, we ain't getting it back either. Step your game up.
get no be so. Girl, you won't capture my soul. I'ma get no be so. Make you one umbo. Better, bye. Better, bye. I'm loose. Even better done the para. Tonight in Josie, I'm in Josie. Won't call it for one Josie. I'm not playing with you, I'm not joking. My thought album is loaded. Me, you can fuck up, but I'm on duty, but I'm on low-key. They want do me, they want do me. But I want.
So this was part 1 of 2. We're actually going to be doing mid-bass drivers or woofers in the trunk later on this year. So stay tuned for that. And yes, before you guys ask, I'm on CVO today, putting some miles on her, putting the audio through its paces, make sure you can hear it loud and clear on the highway.